Good afternoon, guys. So today I'm going to be doing unboxing of this smart balance wheel I just bought now. Okay, let's start. So it's pretty heavy. Okay, let's have a look at the box. As you can see, smart balance wheel, and it's color blue. So first, of course, is the manual. Then there is a charger, styrofoam, yeah, and this is the scooter. So no more, only this. So it's heavy. So you can see the design here, and here it's like a Mercedes-Benz. Let's put it in the floor. It's heavy, 12 kg. So you see, I don't know what is this, and this is the battery. Nice. Nice. I will switch on. Look at the wheel. This must be the power. Okay, switch on. I will try. I'm afraid. Nakakatakot. I think I need to take a little time to practice this to master this operation. It's quite heavy, so it works like this. This is the battery indicator, and this is the sensor indicator, and behind here there is a power button, and this is the charging button. It's nice.